Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to my channel Life in Shorts and welcome to my exclusive bracelet collection. In this video you will see a variety of beautiful bracelets from elegant gold tone designs to trendy Korean inspired styles and everyday fashion pieces. Each bracelet has its own unique charm, making this collection perfect for anyone who loves stylish accessories. Watch till the end to discover all the designs and let me know in the comments which bracelet is your favorite. So let's explore this collection together. Today's video is all about an exclusive bracelet collection filled with elegant, stylish, and unique designs. Whether you love simple, everyday bracelets or eye-catching statement pieces, there's something here for you, everyone. So sit back, relax, and enjoy exploring this beautiful bracelet collection with me. And don't forget to stay until the end because I would love to know which bracelet is your favorite. Let's begin with the first bracelet in the collection. This beautiful bracelet comes in a deep navy blue color and features two wooden pieces that give it a natural and stylish look. The combination of the rich blue band and the wooden accent creates a unique design that stands out without being too flashy. It's light in weight, comfortable to wear, and perfect for everyday outfits, whether paired with casual clothes or a simple traditional look. This bracelet adds a traditional touch of elegance and charm. It's one of those accessories that is easy to style and makes any outfit look a little more fashionable. Now let's move on to the second bracelet in the collection. This bracelet has a beautiful silver toned beaded design that gives it a modern and elegant look. The shiny metallic beads catch the light beautifully, making it a simple accessory that still stands out. One of the highlights of this bracelet is the vibrant blue cube bead, which adds a lovely pop of color. It also features a few decorative blue and white beads, along with a charm round pendant that gives the bracelet a stylish and unique finish. I really love how this bracelet combines classic silver tones with rich blue accents. It's lightweight, comfortable, and easy to wear throughout the day. Whether you are styling it with jeans, a dress, or a traditional outfit, it adds a touch of elegance without being too bold. This bracelet is, perfect for casual outings, family gatherings, shopping, trips, or even everyday wear. It's one of those accessories that can instantly make an outfit look more polished and fashionable. If you love elegant bracelets with a little splash of color, this is definitely a beautiful piece to have in your collection. Let's take a look at the third bracelet in the collection. This bracelet has a beautiful earthy design made with smooth brown wooden beads that give it a natural and timeless appearance. The warm wooden tones make it feel simple, elegant, and inspired by nature. What makes this bracelet, truly unique are the decorative beads in the center. On one side, there's a soft translucent white stone bead, while on the other side, there's a gorgeous green stone bead that adds a refreshing touch of color. Now it's time to look at this adorable pink bracelet. This bracelet has a soft pastel pink color that gives it a sweet, elegant, and charming appearance. The smooth pink beads are beautifully paired with sparkling crystal beads and golden accents, creating a delicate and eye-catching design. Highlight of this bracelet is the cute little pink teddy bear charm hanging in the center. It gives the bracelet a fun and playful touch, making it perfect for anyone who loves cute accessories. There's also a lovely blue pearl style bead beside the charm, adding a beautiful contrast to the pink color. Another feature I really like is the adjustable chain at the end, which makes it easy to fit different wrist sizes comfortably. It's light in weight, stylish, and comfortable enough for everyday wear. This bracelet is perfect for casual outfits, parties, birthdays, shopping, trips, or even as a thoughtful gift for someone who loves cute jewelry. Now let's look at this beautiful sky blue bracelet. The soft blue beads give it a fresh, calm, and elegant look that instantly catches the eye. Between the blue beads and are sparkling crystal beads and tiny golden spacers that add a touch of shine and make the bracelet look more stylish. Cutest part of this bracelet is the adorable blue elephant charm hanging from the side. The little elephant gives the bracelet a playful and charming appearance, making it perfect for everyone who loves cute accessories. It also has a delicate golden chain with a matching blue bead at the end, giving it a grateful finishing touch. Now let's move on to this elegant black bracelet. This bracelet has a classic design featuring smooth glossy black beads that give it a bold and sophisticated appearance. The deep black color makes it a timeless accessory that can easily match almost any outfit. Add a unique touch, the bracelet includes two beautiful marble grey beads with a natural looking patterns. It instantly looks like a moon. Now just look at it. this vibrant orange beaded bracelet. The first thing that stands out is its bright, cheerful orange color, which gives it a warm and energetic feel. The smooth, polished beads have a beautiful, glossy finish that makes the bracelet look simple yet elegant. If you enjoy simple accessories, please do subscribe my channel. Now let's take a look at this delicate pastel pink bracelet. This bracelet has a soft blush pink beads that give it a graceful, elegant and feminine look. The smooth round beads are paired with sparkle crystals spacers that add just the right amount of shine, making the bracelet look both simple and sophisticated. One of the most beautiful feature of this bracelet is the white butterfly charm, which adds a lovely and graceful touch to the design. Beside it, you will also notice a white decorative charm along with the warm golden yellow beaded and elegant golden accents. These little details make the unique and give it a luxurious finish. If you enjoy delicate jewelry with charming details, this pastel pink butterfly bracelet is definitely one of the prettiest pieces in the collection. Now let's take a look at this lovely purple bracelet. This bracelet features beautiful lavender purple beads that create a soft, elegant and stylish look. Purple color is complemented by sparkling crystal beads and tiny golden spacer beads, giving the bracelet a delicate touch of shine. I really like how the purple beads and crystal accents work together to create a bracelet that is both elegant and eye-catching. It is lightweight, comfortable and suitable for everyday wear. This bracelet looks beautiful with casual outfits, dresses, kurtis and party wear. Whether you are going shopping, attending a birthday party, meeting friends or celebrating a special occasion, it adds a charming finishing touch to your outfit. Let's take a look at this fresh green beaded bracelet. This bracelet features beautiful light green beads with a smooth glossy finish that gives it a calm, refreshing and elegant appearance. Now let's look at this beautiful pink bracelet with crystal details. It features soft pink beads in two lovely shades, creating a delicate and elegant color combination. Between the pink beads are sparkling crystal beads and tiny golden spacers that add extra shine and make the bracelet look more luxurious. One of my favorite features is its adjustable golden chain with a matching pink bead at the end. Now it's time for this stunning turquoise blue bracelet. This bracelet features a smooth round turquoise blue bracelets beads with a glossy finish that instantly catches the eye. The bright blue color gives it a fresh, vibrant and energetic look, making it one of the most striking pieces in the collection. Simple yet elegant, which makes it more stylish to your outfit. Next bracelet has a completely different style, so let's have a closer look. I would like to show you two bracelets with similar designs but different colors. Even though they share the same style, each one has its own unique charm and personality. Start with the bracelet on the left. It features beautiful sea green bamboo shaped beads paired with soft green round beads. The bracelet is finished with sparkling silver accents and a delicate heart charm decorated with a tiny flower, giving it a fresh, elegant and nature-inspired look. It feels light, stylish and perfect for adding a soft touch of color to any outfit. Next bracelet on the right, this one has a warm cream or ivory color with the same bamboo shaped bead design. The neutral shade gives it a classic and sophisticated appearance. Truly exclusive bracelet collection. Let's check out another lovely piece. This adorable Hello Kitty bracelet features soft blue beads, sparkling crystal accents and a cute Hello Kitty charm. It's perfect for anyone who loves cute accessories and wants to add a fun touch to their outfit. The sparkling crystal beads adds a beautiful shine from every angle. It's a perfect accessory for Hello Kitty fans. The charm brings a playful touch to the bracelet without being too bold. Overall, this bracelet is cute, elegant and perfect for adding a little sparkle to any outfit. Now let's move on to another bracelet. This bracelet has a soft, elegant look that's perfect for any occasion. The creamy white beads give it a timeless and classy appearance. The golden spacer beads add a touch of luxury to the design. Crystal accents catch the light beautifully and adds extra sparkle. The dangling bead charm gives this bracelet a graceful finishing touch. Simple color makes it easy to pair with almost any outfit. This bracelet is lightweight, comfortable and perfect for everyday wear. Overall, this bracelet is simple, graceful and effortlessly stylish. Now let's take a look at this elegant silver plated bracelet. It features a stylish silver toned design with a beautiful brown cube shaped bead at the center that instantly catches the eye. The combination of the metallic finish and the warm brown color creates a classy and modern look. One of the most special detail is the charming pendant engraved with the words I love you, making this bracelet a thoughtful gift for someone special. It's lightweight, comfortable to wear, and perfect for both everyday outfits and special occasions. If you love meaningful jewelry with a stylish design, this bracelet is a wonderful addition to your collection. Here's another adorable bracelet from this collection. This bracelet features soft pink beads that creates a sweet and charming look. The cute unicorn charm adds a magical touch, making it perfect for anyone who loves fantasy-inspired accessories. The delicate design is lightweight, comfortable to wear, and easy to match with any outfit. The pink color gives it a soft, elegant feel, while the unicorn charm makes it fun and unique. This bracelet is a lovely choice for unicorn lovers and anyone who enjoys cute, stylish jewelry. Overall, I will rate 10 out of 10 for this bracelet. Now let's check out this unique wooden beaded bracelet. It features beautifully crafted wooden beads that give it a neutral, natural and earthy look. Between the beads are soft threaded tassels that add, texture and make the design stand out. The combination of wood and thread creates a simple yet stylish bracelet that's perfect for everyday wear. It's lightweight, comfortable, and has a handcrafted feel that makes it extra special. If you love accessories inspired by nature and handmade designs, this wooden beaded bracelet is a perfect and beautiful addition to your collection. The rich wooden tones make it simple yet timeless, making it a perfect accessory for anyone who loves nature inspired jewelry. One of the most eye-catching features of this bracelet is the colorful, it's not colorful yet brown and sober thread tassels placed between the wooden beads. These soft tassels add movement, texture, and a playful touch to the design. That's the end of my exclusive bracelet collection. I hope you enjoyed exploring all these beautiful and unique bracelet designs with me. From elegant silver plated styles and natural wooden bracelets to cute charm bracelets and colorful beaded designs, each one has its unique special beauty. I would love to know which bracelet was your favorite, so let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this collection, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and subscribe to my channel for more jewelry collections, shopping hauls, fashion accessories, and lifestyle videos. Thank you so much for watching and for your wonderful support. See you in my next video with another exciting collection. Until then, take care, stay happy, and bye everyone.